Today, we're uncovering the top 10 places on Earth that science just can't fully explain yet. Number 10. Zone of Silence, Mexico. Deep in the Chihuahuan Desert of Mexico lies the infamous Zone of Silence, often called Mexico's Bermuda Triangle. This looks like any ordinary patch of desert, but it's not. Radios fail. Compasses spin out of control. And if you try to make a call, good luck, no signal here. Adding to the enigma are reports of glowing orbs, and even an unusually high number of meteorite impacts. Could these anomalies be caused by underground magnetic fields disrupting signals? Or is there something more unexplainable at play? Scientists have studied the area for decades, proposing theories about natural radio wave disruptions and mineral-rich soils. But despite their efforts, this desert remains one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Radios fail, compasses spin, and the Zone of Silence continues to baffle science. Number 9. Hesten Lights, Norway. In a remote valley in Norway, something extraordinary happens. Mysterious lights appear, hovering, zigzagging, and sometimes vanishing into thin air. Welcome to the Hesten Valley, home to the unexplained Hesten Lights. These lights aren't your ordinary UFO stories. They've been scientifically documented, changing colors and moving in ways that defy logic. Some hover for minutes. Others streak across the sky at impossible speeds. Theories abound, from ionized gas caused by geological stress to plasma bursts triggered by natural radiation. But despite over 40 years of research, no one knows exactly what's creating these mesmerizing displays. Mysterious lights hover, zigzag, and disappear, keeping Hesten Valley shrouded in mystery. Number 8. The Devil's Kettle, Minnesota, USA. In northern Minnesota, the Brule River plunges into a split. One half flows normally, but the other vanishes into a hole, never to be seen again. This is the Devil's Kettle, and its mystery has stumped scientists for decades. Researchers have poured dye, ping-pong balls, and even GPS trackers into the hole, but none have reappeared downstream. So, where does the water go? Some believe it flows into an undiscovered cave system or fractures deep underground. Yet, despite countless experiments, the answer remains as elusive as ever. One stream flows, the other vanishes, leaving the Devil's Kettle an unsolved riddle. Number 7. Mount Roraima, Venezuela. Rising from the Amazon rainforest, Mount Roraima is a place of wonder and mystery. Its sheer cliffs and flat summit have inspired legends for centuries, even Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World. This isolated mountaintop is home to species found nowhere else on Earth. Some scientists believe it's a relic of ancient supercontinents, its ecosystem untouched for millennia. Mount Roraima raises more questions than answers. How did such unique life forms evolve here? And what secrets are hidden in its uncharted crevices? A fortress of mist, Mount Roraima guards secrets scientists are only beginning to uncover. Number 6. The Boiling River, Peru. Deep in the heart of the Amazon, there's a river that defies logic. The Boiling River. Its waters reach temperatures hot enough to kill, yet there's no volcanic activity nearby. Locals have used the river for centuries, but scientists are baffled by its origin. Some theorize geothermal heat from deep underground as the source, but why it surfaces here, in the middle of the rainforest, remains a mystery. This natural wonder challenges our understanding of geology and continues to fascinate researchers worldwide. A boiling river with no volcano nearby, one of the Amazon's greatest mysteries. Number 5. Crooked Forest, Poland. In western Poland lies the Crooked Forest, a grove of pine trees unlike any other. Each tree curves sharply near the base, forming a near-perfect arc before growing straight. Was this bizarre shape caused by human interference, or is it the result of unique environmental factors? Some speculate it was an experiment in furniture making. Others believe heavy snow bent the trees when they were young. Whatever the cause, the forest remains a living puzzle, one that continues to captivate scientists and visitors alike. A forest of bent trees. standing as nature's unsolved riddle. Number 4. The Yanagi Monument, Japan. Off the coast of Yanagi, Japan, lies a mysterious underwater structure that has puzzled scientists and divers alike. Known as the Yanagi Monument, this submerged formation features sharp edges, terraces, and what appear to be staircases, resembling an ancient city lost to the sea. But is it man-made, or is it a natural geological phenomenon? Some argue the structure's symmetry and layout suggest it was built by an ancient civilization, perhaps 10,000 years ago. Others point to natural erosion and tectonic activity as the cause of its unique features. The debate has raged for decades. If it is man-made, it would rewrite our understanding of ancient history. And if it's natural, it's one of the most extraordinary examples of geology in the world. A submerged mystery, the Yanagi Monument remains an enigma beneath the waves. Number 3. Magnetic Hill, India. Imagine this. You're driving along a road, put your car in neutral, and it starts rolling uphill, defying gravity. Welcome to Magnetic Hill in Ladakh, India, where this phenomenon leaves visitors scratching their heads. Some believe it's caused by a magnetic anomaly in the area, while others think it's simply an optical illusion created by the surrounding landscape. Scientists lean toward the optical illusion theory, but the exact mechanics of how the brain perceives the hill's incline are still debated. Whatever the reason, this gravity-defying spot continues to amaze all who visit. Cars roll uphill, but is it magnetism or just a trick of the eye? Number 2. Lake Baikal, Russia. Lake Baikal in Siberia isn't just the world's deepest freshwater lake. It's also one of its most mysterious. Spanning over 400 miles, this ancient lake has intrigued scientists for centuries. Lake Baikal is home to strange ice rings that appear and disappear without warning. These rings, visible only from above, have been linked to methane emissions rising from the lake's floor. But no one knows why they form such perfect shapes. Adding to the intrigue are unexplained underwater noises reported by divers and an ecosystem that includes species found nowhere else on Earth. Is Lake Baikal hiding geological or biological secrets beneath its surface? Ice rings and eerie sounds, Lake Baikal remains one of Earth's most enigmatic wonders. Number 1. Blood Falls, Antarctica. In the frozen wasteland of Antarctica, a blood-red waterfall seeps from the Taylor Glacier, a rare phenomenon found nowhere else on Earth. Known as Blood Falls, this waterfall has stumped researchers for over a century. The red color comes from iron-rich water that oxidizes when exposed to air. But the real mystery lies beneath the ice. How does this water remain liquid in sub-zero temperatures? And how does it emerge through layers of solid glacier? The leading theory suggests a hypersaline lake trapped beneath the glacier, so salty it stays liquid despite the cold. But even with this explanation, the precise mechanism of its flow is still a puzzle, one that highlights the strange beauty of our planet. Crimson water flows through ice, making Blood Falls a chilling Antarctic enigma. Thanks for watching our countdown of 10 places on Earth that scientists can't fully explain. These places remind us just how much of Earth's story remains untold, waiting to be discovered. Would you ever visit any of the places on this list? Are there any other strange places like this that we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an exploration into the unknown.